Lying here, pray that you're alone. I'm tired of sleeping on my own. I wish your name would flash upon my phone, reminding me I'm not alone. Traps in this burning room, flames in the shape of you. You left me standing in the dark. You left my heart in two. These words were made for you, and now we're nothing but a spark. Cause the hardest thing I'll ever do is walk away, still loving you, but now I'm just somebody that you love. You let me in, you spill me out your song, and I can live it out, but now I'm just somebody that you love. 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 You killed me deep, you counted up my scars. You found a place to leave your mark. I never thought that we would fall apart, but loving you just broke my heart. Traps in this burning room, flames in the shape of you. You left me standing in the dark. You left my heart in two. These words were made for you, and now we're nothing but a spark. Cause the hardest thing I'll ever do is walk away, still loving you, but now I'm just somebody that you love. You let me in, you spill me out your song, and I can live it out, but now I'm just somebody that you love. Somebody that you love. Somebody that you love. Somebody that you love. Somebody that you love.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.